the computer at home as a processor for my robot.
The wheel has at least 7 layers of aluminum, have different end effectors. These are the different end effectors that can go into the that has a sticky leg like a gecko.
STEM isn't any new subject or a technology. It is an approach part of our ETMOD program. One.
This beam bot is something that resembles the laws of fluid mechanics. We tell them why this is happening. Since they've built this hydraulic system, now you can ask them for an application. Is the cause for a motion a biomotor, but it's rotate. So this gearbox is something that we give. You can now amplify force and things, and then you are again coming back to the right foot forward. The base, the leg is made so huge. So when you're designing and then you rotate, now if I just press this thing,
different models of how the atom, size of atom or the electron or how things are, and by special electrons and all that. So these are anything that's to do with positive charges. I have all the electrons from here moving to this point. Why it will really come in handy. Okay. How does this potential meter actually? Okay.
It's really a very good session. I loved it very much.
Called a programming language was developed. Press my down arrow, the statement will not get us to stand over the green color building. It should not fall off. So that's the objective we have to figure. That's why we start with the Scratch. This is an amazing platform, an amazing tool for anybody who wants to start.
Enjoyed a lot. The session was very
awesome. Sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. See, will have a slope in the front. That inclination, you are able to visualize that and communicate what your idea is. Adjusting one side. Use the mirror function. I'll just click on that. Then you select all the edges you want.
You have magnetic sense. It could also give something like 11001. Something that is varying with time, like 0 to 100 degrees. There is no light falling. It is dark. The room is dark. Called as a H-bridge circuit. 5 volts to I2. I give 5050. Both the motors go forward.
We have to remember, take it and drop it to the pin number 13. It rotates in the opposite, minus 140. You touching the door automatically opens. It has got a clavis over. You can see it.
Increase the mileage of the pen and reduce the plastic, which means I need this big material button. You would see how the animation happened.
This has been a bus. So the data is analyzed. The machine learns on it's broken down into multiple pixels. So each box will take some information of the image. The image is a cat or a dog.
Click on create application, sir.
Yeah, you have to click on create application.
I mean, they have explained it so nicely that I couldn't imagine it could have been so good doing it online. Starting from the introduction session on electronics by Brijesh sir, giving the concepts of current, electricity, electrons. It was very well explained. And Vaibhav sir, I was really impressed by the way you taught us designing. That laptop table designing was a huge task and you were doing it all online. And I can understand when you are speaking to an audience where you can't view them, how difficult it is. But believe me, we enjoyed it thoroughly and we were there with you throughout the sessions. And Arun Bharti sir, what to say, the Scratch programming which we have taught and all the electronic circuits, that was really great. You were so involved in it and so we were. Ki stimulation kyun nahi ho raha hai, why we are not able to see the motor, it is revolving, RPM kyun nahi dikh raha, zoom the screen and all that. It was a
Bright Riders School, Abu Dhabi. So, I would like to thank ma'am to all the ATEL team for giving this training workshop. And ma'am, I really enjoyed this workshop for having a good interaction with the professional team, like mechanical department, electrical, as well as the programming team. Ma'am, I found this workshop very insightful and the topics were very relevant and it was to the point.
I loved Mr. Brijesh, Mr. Arun, Mr. Vibhav. They all are I suppose they are the age of my son, but they are great teachers. I have learned a lot.
Enjoyed. And I must again say why I enjoyed this. It was too interactive. Faculty member, trainer was so again user-friendly. We never felt that we are asking the question from a teacher. It seems to be like we are interacting among ourselves or within friend circle.
And each and every concept being taught by Brijesh sir, Vibhav sir was absolutely amazing. It's been a wonderful thing to learn. And I would also like to tell that I am from Indore, Golden International School.
Vadodara, Gujarat. I felt that you have started with a scratch and we have learnt everything. So I thank the whole team. It was wonderful session. And when I was talking to my daughter, she has done electronics and communication engineering. So she said to me, you are going to learn robotics? Oh my God, then let me know what all things you have learned. So she was so happy to know that I have learned so many things.
Definitely, sir, I feel that the child in myself grows. The day you taught us, and I programmed that app to say you and this, my excitement, I was not able to
Thank you so much. I'm really grateful to all of you. Really, God bless you.
May I please?
Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Okay, thank you so much. A very good afternoon to everybody, rather. I may not be that aged so that I can say everybody is so young here. But yes, I can say one thing, that I enjoyed this session a lot. It was a great experience. I once had an opportunity to be a part of robotics competition in one of my career school. But I can so understand the excitement of the teachers like Brijesh sir, Vibhav sir, Arun sirs. They wanted to tell so many things, and they had that small slot of 40 minutes or 1 hour, and they were like, ma'am, just done, ma'am, just done, ma'am, just 5 minutes, ma'am, just 10 minutes. And even we do this. When I teach in the class, even we are hurrying up. Okay, just give me 5 minutes. The bell is rung, but still we are teaching. Okay, just 2 minutes to 5 minutes. I could so relate it. So it was very nice, very great. Even I learned a lot from Tinkercad. I was just familiar, but the new things that we learned about Scratch and various softwares, it was great. And it was, trust me, it was a thrilled experience. I loved it. Thank you so much, everyone.
Sir started with again off with an Arun sir. They started with the breadboard and the placing and the connections. I felt so related with each and everything. And all three of you, Brijesh sir, Arun sir, and Vibhav sir, my hats off to you people for the fabulous work you are doing. You are pros, sir. All three of you. God bless you, sir, throughout your life. And how to implement the things, how to implement the knowledge and amalgamating it with the recent developments going on, and to take out some fruitful outputs. I learned a lot from you. And just thanking each and everyone, thanking
your
Jyoti
patience. And Vibhav, Brijesh, Arun, you all made this a thrill and worth learning experience. A lot of thanks to each one of you with the core and bottom of my heart. Thank you so much.